up, guys? So we finished our glacier walk yesterday. Kind of just rummaged around for the rest of the day. We ended later than we expected. We slept at SVINAFELLSJOKUll and did a little bit of star stuff. I got one time lapse. I don't really think it turned out. My camera is having some big issues. Seems like it's working now, but we slept here last night at this glacier lagoon. Now Zach and I are gonna try to get on top of this mountain. That's not the top, it's pretty big up there, just the angle we're at. But we're gonna try to get up there. The sun is gonna peek over the canyon soon. So it's mossy, it's wet, and it's a scramble. So 2 steps up, 1 step down, but we're doing it. Be careful. Look at that view of the glacier lagoon though. So over here we got Skaftafell Glacier. Over here we got SVINAFELLSJOKULL. And there's Zach. So we're not at the top yet, but we just stopped because these 2 boulders were giving us some pretty rad photos. Zach was brave enough to sit out on the edge above the glacier. Yeah. So Zach, I think, is gonna hop up to one of these boulders right here, and then he's got the 24-240 on. I'm gonna stand out on this big boulder. Lines up pretty nice over all of these just sick glaciers. So I think it'll be a pretty sick shot. Getting closer and closer to the top, where other than the glacier lagoon and all the loose fragments, you can see the actual glacier there, which goes back for miles and miles that way. It's pretty sick. We're not at the top, but pretty freaking rad. So probably just shoot here. The sun's peeking over as we speak. So we're having some more issues. I had my camera last night. My drone was just giving me tons of warning messages. And it actually looks foggy from the inside, which is like one of the issues I had with my camera last night. But I just put it down. Battery was too cold. I was just getting all the warnings. So got the batteries in my shirt right now. I think I got 1 sick shot I'll put right here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna warm these batteries up for like 15 minutes. I think Zach's gonna time lapse. And then just probably enjoy the views for now. It's beautiful up here. I forgot to mention, when the drone was having all the issues, it kind of was flying itself and like going against what I was trying to make it do. So she did some trimmings. She got some dirt on her. But it was going pretty slow, so she's all good. I'm gonna set it up and put on some more drone stuff. that drone stuff. Having a lot of issues, a lot of malfunctions. Just gonna count the winds and stop flying there. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Highly recommend coming up here. The parking lot's like down there on the other side of this quite a bit. Really fun morning mission, and really cool perspectives of this glacier and Glacier Lagoon. Got some really cool stuff, so hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next adventure.